I'm just going to kind of like do a quick little unboxing, show you everything I got with this, and then I'll go and I'll climb up a pole and we'll see how these things work. So I got a little bag with mine. It came with a little set of gloves, and those right there, some extra like straps to go around the shins. This is not a rope. This is a cord. I really like the strength of this. This has an extender like here on it, so you can put that up and slide up and go right there. Really nice carabiner. Has a locking slide lock carabiner like those. This is a hook for like hooking onto your harness. Now the spikes are also labeled right and left in big letters right here. You see that's the R for the right one. And look at that spike. That is sharp. And it's a pretty good quality buckle on it. So there's the right, and that's obviously the left. Here's the harness. This is one of these thigh style harnesses. I actually like this harness a lot. Let me go ahead, put all this on, then I'll show what it looks like on. Then we'll do some climbing with it. Okay, let me just show you these things on. So here's the left. The Velcro is very strong. I really like that Velcro. This went on nicely. That little leather piece right here holds them in place. I just tied them extra right there. Same way with the right. Velcro around. The harness, you can see how the harness goes. You can tighten it up. This is the most comfortable harness I've ever seen with one of these kits, and a really good harness for these things. So let me go ahead, set this up, start climbing a tree and see how these things work. All right, here we go. Yeah, I don't see any issues with these things at all, everybody. I don't have to go up super high to tell you these things work great. That's a really sharp spike going down in there like that. They feel sturdy on the shins. They seem to hold. The spike was very strong, and it has a replaceable spike on it. I like the fact that you can replace that if you ever chip your spike or break it or anything like that. This is one of the better pairs of, tree spikes that I think you can get out there today. You get everything you need in this kit. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the tree spike set. See you on the next video.